I had zero skills, no money, and just $27 in my bank account. I know what you're thinking. How can someone start from nothing? But here's the truth. In just 30 days, I made my first $1,000 online. And this is exactly how it happened. It all started on a quiet Tuesday night. I was sitting in my small room, scrolling endlessly. The same apps, the same videos, the same life. Nothing exciting, nothing inspiring. Then I opened my banking app. $27.14. I stared at it for a moment and felt it sink in. I'm completely broke. I wasn't lazy. I had a job. I worked 8 hours a day, yet somehow I was still stuck. No savings, no freedom, no future, and a constant feeling of stress. That night, I made a choice. I told myself, I'm going to make money online, no matter what. I tried everything. Dropshipping, trading, random apps promising easy money. Nothing worked. Every attempt felt confusing, overwhelming, and honestly, I almost gave up. Then I discovered something simple. Freelancing. But here's the problem. I had zero skills. No design, no coding, nothing. Most people would see this and quit, but I didn't. Instead, I asked myself, what can I learn fast and sell immediately? The answer was simple. Small, easy skills anyone could pick up quickly. Writing captions, basic Canva designs, copy-paste tasks. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. I practiced for 2 days. Just 2 days. Watching YouTube tutorials, trying things out, making mistakes, learning fast. Then I started offering my services. I went to Fiverr, Upwork, and even Instagram DMs, sending 20-30 messages every day. Most people ignored me. Some said no, a few were rude. But I didn't stop. I kept going. And then, after 5 days, someone replied, a $10 job. But it felt like I had won the lottery. Not because of the money, but because it was proof. Proof that I could start, even with zero skills. I remember the feeling, excitement mixed with fear, the tiny spark of hope that this might actually work. The next few days were a roller coaster. $20, $50, $100. Momentum started building. Every small win felt huge, and suddenly, I wasn't broke anymore. In 30 days, I made my first $1,000 online. No degree, no experience, no special talent. Just consistency, action, and patience. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. You don't need perfect skills to start. You just need courage, you need action, and most importantly, you need to start, now. I realize most people stay broke, not because they can't make money, but because they wait. They wait to feel ready, they wait to be perfect, and they wait forever. The lessons I learned, simple. Focus on one skill at a time. Practice until you can deliver value. Reach out constantly. Learn from every rejection. Don't get discouraged by no. Keep moving. Small steps compound faster than you think. By the end of the month, I wasn't just making money, I was building confidence. I was learning how the real world works and creating freedom for myself, one client at a time. Every $10 job mattered, every small win mattered, because it built momentum, and momentum changes everything. So ask yourself, are you actually broke, or are you just not trying hard enough? If I can do it with zero skills, so can you. You don't need the perfect moment, the perfect idea, or the perfect skill. You just need to start. Start today, start now, take that first step. Because the first $10 you earn might feel small, but it's the spark that sets everything on fire. And once you start, there's no limit to how far you can go. Consistency beats talent if talent never acts. And patience. Patience turns small wins into life-changing momentum. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Don't let fear stop you. Start, learn, improve, and keep moving forward. In 30 days, a person with zero skills can change their life, and that person can be you.